Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a product that's been creating some buzz for those dealing with thinning hair. The Aveda Invati Ultra Advanced Exfoliating Shampoo Light. This is step one of a 4-step system designed to reduce hair loss by up to 77%. It's formulated especially for fine to medium thinning hair types and normal to oily scalps. Made with 95% naturally derived ingredients and comes in a generous 33.8-ounce cream formula with a calming lavender scent. Let's see what this shampoo really brings to the table. Right off the bat, what stands out about this shampoo is its exfoliating approach. Unlike typical shampoos that just cleanse, this one uses a blend of gentle yet effective exfoliants to help clear scalp buildup, an often overlooked factor in hair thinning. The cream texture is lightweight but rich enough to create a nice lather, which means it cleans thoroughly without stripping the scalp's natural moisture. The lavender scent is subtle, fresh, and soothing, which adds a spa-like feel to your shower routine. When I incorporated it into my routine, it was straightforward. Just massage it into the scalp and rinse. The exfoliation was noticeable but never harsh or drying, which is crucial for anyone with a sensitive or oily scalp. I tried it in both morning and evening showers, and it maintained scalp clarity without causing irritation. Over a couple of weeks, my scalp felt less congested, and my hair appeared a bit fuller at the roots. It definitely pairs well with the rest of the Invati system for optimal results, but even solo, it delivers a gentle deep clean that many shampoos miss. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the exfoliating function is a game changer. It goes beyond surface cleaning to improve scalp health, which is essential in reducing hair thinning. The natural ingredient base gives peace of mind to those avoiding harsh chemicals, and the lavender scent is a lovely bonus that's neither overpowering nor synthetic. The large size means you get a lot of use out of one bottle, which is great given the price point. On the downside, because it's a cream-based exfoliating shampoo, some might find it less foamy compared to more conventional shampoos. And if your hair is very dry, it might feel a little less moisturizing, so pairing it with a nourishing conditioner is recommended. Speaking of price, the Aveda Invati Ultra Advanced Exfoliating Shampoo Light sits at a premium price level, which reflects its quality ingredients and brand reputation. For those who prioritize scalp health and have fine or thinning hair, this could be a worthwhile investment. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other exfoliating shampoos available that work well but might lack the same natural formulation or the comprehensive Invati system benefits. Compared to similar products on the market, this shampoo stands out because of its blend of natural exfoliants and its focus on scalp health as a primary driver for reducing hair loss. Many shampoos focus solely on hair strands or volumizing, but Aveda's approach is more holistic. The packaging is sturdy and eco-conscious, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability, which is a nice touch in the beauty industry today. I haven't personally interacted with Aveda's customer service, but the brand generally has a strong reputation for responsiveness and helpful support, which adds a layer of trust if you ever need assistance. If you're looking for alternatives, brands like Christophe Robin and Briogeo offer exfoliating shampoos that come at different price points and with varying ingredient philosophies. But if you're keen on natural derived ingredients and a lavender-scented spa experience, this one truly delivers. So what's the bottom line? The Aveda Invati Ultra Advanced Exfoliating Shampoo Light is a solid option for anyone struggling with fine to medium thinning hair and who has a normal to oily scalp. It's effective at cleansing and exfoliating without harshness, promotes scalp health, and is part of a broader system designed to reduce hair loss. While the price might be steep for some, the product's quality and ingredient integrity justify it for many beauty lovers focused on hair wellness. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've already tried this shampoo, drop a comment below. Let us know your experience. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.